Hello, welcome to Flowealth Academy channel. Today we will explore an AI image generating tool that is Midjourney. So this is the interface of Midjourney. Unfortunately, Midjourney is not free from 2025. You have to have some plan like subscribe plan, or you can use their Discord channel to use Midjourney. First, we can see that in Midjourney interface, there are different options like create, edit, personalize, mood board, organize, chart, task, subscribe model, help button, or updates button. If you choose the subscribe button, you can see that they have four plans. Basic plans, which is per month $8, standard plan, which is per month $24, pro plan, which is per month $48, and the mega plan per month $96. And also, each plan has different features. Like in basic plan, you can have generate image around 200, and it is more you can generate, and it is more better to generate AI image generating tool. And if you see their video tutorials, if you have this subscription plan, you can use their YouTube channel to see the different video like here making the first image, how to personalize, how to upscale, how to uh, give variety to any image. And like that, for example, I can click here that making the first image. If I go through, then I can see how they can use this Midjourney tool to image generation tool. Like this is the there you can write the prompt and you can make the these types of picture. You can also give these variety. You can upscale. You can subtle variations. Different format you can use. So in the last, I will say that Midjourney image generating tool is a very updated tool, but you have to have the subscribe model or subscribe plan. You cannot use it in at free of cost. Thank you.